Welcome to A18 Telangana News. Republic TV owner and editor Arnab Goswami has been arrested by Raigad police in connection with architect Anvay Naik suicide case. Mr. Naik named Goswami in his suicide note for not paying his architectural work dues, and due to financial crisis he ended his life. He has been arrested in a case which has now been reopened after being closed previously, reported the Republic TV.
These are the people, they have physically assaulted me.
Going to use force now.
You
like this.
प्लीज
don't do that.
प्लीज कॉपरेट
We will use
आपको
force.
पूरे लीगल राइट से आप जो करना है आप एडवोकेट को बोल दीजिए आपको पूरे लीगल राइट से लेकिन अभी
Shamo.
आपको हमारे साथ चलना
you assaulted,
Some
no?
of them assaulted.
Yes, yes, I have got that all live. That's gone live, that assault.
And this person assaulted me, I don't know his name.
Yeah, what is his
आप
name?
चलिए
Oh, आपका तो ये भी नहीं है. ये this is
Shamo,
this.
1 second.
This is it. Okay, guys, everybody see this all over India. This is the man. He doesn't have a tag.
Shamo.
He doesn't have a tag. We don't even know whether he's actually a legit police officer.
Nivedita,
Guys.
Shamo, 1 second, 1 second.
Yeah.
These people are physical. I just want to give a report before
Yeah.
going. Shamo, first of all, don't worry.
आप कोऑपरेट
Everything will be all right.
अर्नब जी
These people have entered my house and physically assaulted me today.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए
This is therefore the high-handedness of the Mumbai police.
I'll send it to the.
They came at 6 o'clock in the morning. They physically assaulted me. They pulled me out of my house. They dragged me by my belt. This person and
This
Sachin
gentleman,
Vase
this gentleman.
has entered my house illegally. and physically assaulted
Illegally
me.
they have entered. This gentleman in the plain clothes also assaulted. This gentleman in the blue shirt and plain clothes has also assaulted. And we have shown you live that entire
Why
incident.
he physically assaulted me? I want to file a case on it.
तो उसके ऊपर लीगल एक्शन लेंगे
He has
लेकिन अभी तो
physically
आपको चलना
assaulted
है।
me.
वो आप लीगल एक्शन लेंगे
Yes, I want action against Sachin Vase and this person, Praveen. Patel,
Where is that Sachin Vase
who
runner?
physically assaulted
Where is
me.
he escaped?
Who
there
physically
he is.
assaulted me.
अभी आपको चलना है।
No, physical assault is unacceptable and I have been, it cannot be done. Listen, he is an encounter cop. Listen, you please go down, I'll make arrangements. You please go down, I'll make arrangements.
You will use force. We would like to see you use force. Use force, please.
You use force, but I
Use
need to make
force.
arrangements.
You are threatening, no?
If you
know
say
the
that
law.
you're going to use force,
Please
it will
use
be
force.
shown to them.
We will show it live.
Requesting you, please cooperate.
No, you
with police.
assaulted. No, you assaulted.
I
You
am-
assaulted and he assaulted.
I am requesting you, Arnab, please cooperate with us.
Well,
I
you.
mean, I'm requesting you very calmly.
Legal
Very
action.
calmly.
As per your request,
Now
we are
let's
standing
put it
since
down.
last
No.
These are the people, they have physically
We have to
assaulted
use
me.
force now. Going to use force now.
You.
Like this.
प्लीज
don't do that.
प्लीज
Please
कॉपरेट
don't do that.
लीगल एक्शन है
We will use
आपको
force.
पूरे लीगल राइट से आप जो करना है आप एडवोकेट को बोल दीजिए आपको पूरे लीगल राइट से लेकिन अभी
Shamo.
आपको हमारे साथ चलना है।
You assaulted,
Some
no?
of them assaulted.
Yes, yes. I have.